The Royal Enfield Continental GT650 is more than just a motorcycle. It stands as a bold statement of craftsmanship, heritage, and modern engineering, seamlessly blending the past with the present. As you walk into a luxurious showroom, the Continental GT650 commands attention immediately. Its Café racer design, sculpted fuel tank, and polished chrome accents reflect under the soft glow of carefully arranged lights, reinforcing the timelessness of this iconic machine. The room is filled with a quiet sense of reverence, and the name, Royal Enfield, emblazoned on the back wall in large, illuminated letters serves as a proud reminder of the brand's storied legacy. The ambiance of the showroom, characterized by its marble floors, sleek glass panels, and tastefully minimalist design, elevates the GT650 beyond just a motorcycle. Here, it feels like a work of art, an object of desire that embodies both performance and style. Approaching the bike, the details begin to speak for themselves. The Continental GT650 features a perfect marriage of vintage aesthetics and modern technology. The teardrop-shaped fuel tank, signature to the Café racer lineage, boasts vibrant paintwork complemented by finely crafted badges that reflect Royal Enfield's dedication to detail. The low-slung handlebars and the rear set foot pegs project an aggressive stance, reminiscent of the Café racing culture of the 1960s. The single-seat configuration, accompanied by a rear cowl, reinforces the bike's sporty and minimalist design philosophy. Even the upswept dual exhaust pipes catch the light at just the right angles, exuding a sense of raw power and refined elegance. The Continental GT650 is powered by a 648cc parallel twin engine, a masterpiece of engineering that delivers smooth, linear power across the rev range. With an unmistakable rumble, the engine's sound evokes an emotional connection that immediately transports riders back to the golden age of motorcycling. This engine, with its air and oil cooling system, produces a level of refinement and reliability that allows for a wide range of riding experiences, from spirited sprints through urban landscapes to long, unhurried cruises on open highways. The 6-speed gearbox, designed to provide seamless transitions between gears, enhances the overall riding experience by ensuring precise and effortless shifts. The slip assist clutch reduces lever effort, making the Continental GT650 as easy to handle in city traffic as it is on winding country roads. As one runs their hand over the frame, the careful craftsmanship becomes apparent. The dual cradle frame, developed in collaboration with world-renowned chassis experts, provides the perfect balance between rigidity and flexibility. This allows for responsive handling and stability, whether tackling tight corners or cruising at high speeds. The suspension, consisting of telescopic front forks and dual rear shock absorbers, is finely tuned to absorb imperfections in the road while maintaining a sporty feel. This combination ensures that the Continental GT650 remains planted and confident, encouraging riders to push their limits while feeling completely in control. Seating on the Continental GT650 feels as though it was designed with precision and passion. The forward-leaning posture, characteristic of Café racers, immerses the rider in the experience, creating a sense of unity between man and machine. The clip-on handlebars feel firm yet comfortable, providing the perfect amount of feedback to the rider's fingertips. The seat, while minimalist, is designed to offer just enough comfort for longer rides without compromising the overall aesthetic. The instrument cluster, an elegant combination of analog dials and a digital display, delivers all essential information at a glance. This simplistic yet functional design keeps the rider focused on the road ahead, ensuring an uninterrupted riding experience. In the showroom, the Royal Enfield Continental GT650 occupies a position of prominence. The carefully curated space is designed to highlight every curve and contour of the bike. Soft ambient lighting, strategically placed spotlights, and mirrored surfaces work together to accentuate the motorcycle's finest details. The large, Royal Enfield sign glowing softly on the back wall serves as more than just branding, it acts as a reminder of the legacy that this bike represents. The showroom itself becomes an extension of the Continental GT650's identity, reflecting the same principles of elegance, simplicity, and craftsmanship. As visitors move around the bike, the play of light and shadow reveals new aspects of its design. The chrome surfaces shimmer with every step, and the deep, rich colors of the fuel tank seem to change as the angles shift. The exhaust pipes, polished to perfection, gleam under the showroom lights, while the engine's cooling fins and blacked-out components add depth and texture to the overall visual appeal. This dynamic interplay between light and form keeps viewers engaged, inviting them to admire the Continental GT650 from every possible perspective. Owning a Royal Enfield Continental GT 650 transcends the ordinary motorcycle ownership experience. It is about becoming part of a community, a shared passion for the art of riding. Each ride becomes a journey of rediscovery, where the simple pleasure of twisting the throttle and hearing the engine come to life reminds riders of the freedom and exhilaration that motorcycling can offer. The Continental GT 650's ability to capture this feeling, regardless of experience level, ensures that it appeals to both veteran riders and newcomers alike. Its approachable performance characteristics, coupled with its undeniable charm, make it a versatile companion for any rider. The GT 650's versatility extends beyond the road. Its design serves as a blank canvas for personalization, encouraging owners to modify and customize their bikes to reflect their unique identities. From aftermarket exhausts to custom paint jobs, the Continental GT 650 embraces individuality while staying true to its Café racer roots. This level of adaptability reinforces the idea that the motorcycle is not just a means of transport but an extension of the rider's personality and creative expression. The legacy of the Royal Enfield brand is deeply embedded in the DNA of the Continental GT 650. Every aspect of the motorcycle, from the engine's design to the ergonomics, reflects the company's unwavering commitment to quality and innovation. This dedication is mirrored in the showroom environment, where the bike stands as a testament to Royal Enfield's journey from its humble beginnings to its current status as a global icon. The polished floors, the glass showcases filled with meticulously crafted accessories, and the heritage photographs lining the walls all contribute to an immersive experience that connects visitors to the brand's rich history. The Continental GT 650 is not simply displayed in the showroom, it is celebrated. Each angle, each surface, and each component tells a story of dedication, precision, and artistry. The motorcycle represents the culmination of years of development and passion, resulting in a machine that not only performs but inspires. The luxurious setting of the showroom amplifies this effect, reinforcing the Continental GT 650's status as a timeless piece of machinery that bridges generations. As one leaves the showroom, the image of the Continental GT 650 lingers in the mind. Its elegant lines, polished surfaces, and distinctive profile serve as a reminder that true craftsmanship stands the test of time. The Royal Enfield Continental GT 650 is more than a motorcycle, it is a symbol of what happens when heritage, innovation, and passion converge. In a world where trends come and go, the Continental GT 650 remains steadfast, a classic icon that continues to inspire riders to chase the horizon.